Hello students. Now we will take some uh, problems practice in the chapter electrochemistry combinedly. Okay. So there are some problems given to you here. In that problem, you try first yourself, then see solutions of such questions. They are first elementary questions, basically entrance oriented questions. Written question. आप लोग पहले क्वेश्चन लिखिए. Written first question. लिखिए द इलेक्ट्रोसिंथेसिस ऑफ रेडन. द इलेक्ट्रोसिंथेसिस ऑफ MnO2 is carried out from a solution of Mn sulfate in aqueous sulfuric acid, full stop. If a current of 25.5 amperes is used with a current efficiency of 85%, how long would it take to produce 1 kg of MnO2? 1 kg of MnO2. Given the manganese atomic mass 55. Manganese is given atomic mass 55. Okay, so try this question yourself. Now let us come on solution part. To solve this question, what we require here, to get MnO2 from the reaction of Mn sulfate. So we will focus MnO2 production. In the reaction for MnO2 produce, what can be a factor value? We have a oxidation reaction of Mn sulfate from manganese is +2 state. Give manganese in +4 oxidation number in the product. So what happened? It come from Mn sulfate where manganese have oxidation number +2. Here Mn have oxidation number +4. So in this reaction for MnO2, we will have the N factor value how much? 2. In the reaction for MnO2, we have N factor value 2. Now from reaction taken here, gram equivalent of MnO2 is equal to gram equivalent of or number of Faradays, simply number of Faradays. Now to get 1 kg of MnO2, 1 kg means in this case we can write weight upon equivalent weight. What is number of Faradays? IT upon F. How much weight required? 1 kg means 1000 gram. What is equivalent weight of MnO2? Molar weight is 87. Mn is 55 plus 2 oxygen 32 become 87. N factor value 2. Current is how much used here? 25.5 ampere. But see in this case, all the current is not useful. Of the current passed, only 85% of current is useful in the reaction. So we have to take care of this term. 85%. आपको टाइम निकालना है by 96500 coulombs. How long का मीनिंग यहाँ पे क्या है? टाइम. कितना टाइम आप निकालेंगे? This time will come in solving in seconds. So you can find the time in seconds in solving. That come 1.023 into 10 to power 5 seconds is your answer for this question. So I hope it is clear. इजी क्वेश्चन आपका है. आपको निकालना है MnO2. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट में क्या ऐड किया है? करंट एफिशिएंसी ऑफ 85%. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि जितना हम करंट पास करते हैं, जितना हम करंट पास करेंगे, पूरा का पूरा करंट आपका रिएक्शन में कंज्यूम या यूज नहीं होता है. कुछ उसका पार्ट जो है वेस्ट हो जाता है. उस करंट का 85% हमारे लिए इफेक्टिव है प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए. तो हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको लिख लेंगे यहाँ पर. करंट एफिशिएंसी को करंट इनटू एफिशिएंसी परसेंटेज एफिशिएंसी कैन गिव इफेक्टिव करंट which will cause the reaction. From your time you can find out. Okay, so it is one question taken here. Let us take next question. So let us take our next question. Write down the question. आप लोग क्वेश्चन लिखिए पहले. How long a current of 2 amperes has to be passed through a solution of silver nitrate to coat a metal surface of 80 centimeter square with 5 micrometer thick layer, with 5 micrometer thick layer, given density of silver is 10.8 gram per cc. Given density of silver is 10.8 gram per cc. Okay, so try this question yourself. Again, it is a similar question to the previous one we discussed earlier, that how long is we require time in this case to coat a metal surface of area दिया है इसका 80 centimeter square, thickness given 5 micrometer. Okay, so in this case, to find the amount here or time, we require the mass of silver first. How to get mass of silver in this case? It can be taken volume of silver into density. What is volume? It can be taken area to be coated into thickness. Area is how much to be coated into thickness. I can thickness is L into density. So area given is 80 centimeter square. How much is thickness taken? 5 micrometer. That is how much taken? 5 into 10 to power minus 6 meter or minus 4 centimeter. This become the volume in cubic centimeter. आपको दिया 5 माइक्रोमीटर. 1 माइक्रोमीटर is how much meter? 10 to power minus 6 meters. और how much centimeter? तो 5 into 10 to power minus 4 centimeter. That is the volume. Into silver have density 10.8 gram per cc. This mass become gram per cc means this mass become in gram. This mass become in gram. It I can write as m. Mass of silver we can find from here on solving. It is one requirement. Then using Faraday's first law. Using Faraday's first law, what is mass? You can write E upon F into IT. From here, time is how much? Mass into Faraday constant upon E into current. कितना मास आपको दिया है सिल्वर का आप निकाल चुके हैं. F आपका दिया है Faraday constant. E दिया है equivalent weight. For silver, what is equivalent weight? 108. Because in the reaction, silver ions will convert to silver metal in electrodeposition. For silver we can have effective value 1. Silver atom have how much atomic mass? 108. Current आपको दिया है 2 amperes. F Faraday constant 96500 coulombs. M आपका mass हम निकाल चुके हैं यहाँ से. This mass you can put from here. Now putting the mass, Faraday constant, E and I, everything in the expression, the time we can calculate. This time on solving will come how much? 193 seconds. The time on solving will come 193 seconds. That becomes your answer for this question. That becomes answer for this question. आपको time निकालना है. Time will come on solving 193 seconds. Okay. So let us take our next question. आपका next question क्या है? A metal is known to form fluoride MF2. आगे देखिए. When 10 ampere of electricity, when 10 amperes of electricity is passed through a molten salt, for 330 seconds, 1.95 gram of metal is deposited. 1.95 gram of metal is deposited. Find the atomic weight of the metal. Find the atomic weight of the metal. Full stop. What is the quantity of electricity? What is the quantity of electricity required to deposit same mass of copper from copper sulfate solution? Okay. In this case, if you require the element copper have how much atomic mass? 63.5 is the copper's atomic mass in the question is required. Okay. So you try this question. Now let us take solution part of this question. To solve this question, first to get the metal from molten salt, we have molten salt metal in +2 oxidation number will form metal M. In this reaction for the metal, how much can be taken? F factor value 2. For the metal we can take n factor value 2. So now using Faraday's first law, mass can be taken how much? E upon F into IT. How much mass given of metal here? 1.95 gram. E is the metal's equivalent weight. It can be taken if m is the metal's atomic mass. I am writing m is the metal's atomic mass. Divided by n factor value of metal is 2. Faraday constant 96500 coulombs. करंट आपको दिया है 10 एम्पियर्स. टाइम दिया है 330 सेकेंड्स. आपको टाइम दिया है 330 सेकेंड्स. Putting all the values, you can find the value of m. M is the metal's atomic mass. On solving, the value of m will come how much? 114. Is your one answer? The metal's atomic weight. हो गया एक पार्ट. अगला पार्ट दिया है what is the quantity of electricity required to deposit same mass of copper from copper sulfate solution. So electricity means you can take here charge required Q. So again using Faraday's first law, mass can be how much? E upon F into Q. मास सेम है इसमें, तो हमारे पास Q कितना आएगा? M upon F, M into F डिवाइड बाई इक्विवेलेंट वेट. मास दिया सेम 1.95 ग्राम. F दिया है फैराडे कांस्टेंट 96500 कूलम्स. E दिया है कॉपर का इक्विवेलेंट वेट कितना होगा? कॉपर है मॉलिक्यूलर मास 63.5. It have n factor value 2 of Cu plus 2 ion, that we have copper plus 2 ion in solution, we have copper metal. So in this case, on solving this part, you can get the value of Q. Q is charging coulombs. It is 5926.85 coulombs. The charge taken is here. Coming here in coulombs 5926.85 coulombs. That is your answer you should get on solving or on calculation. तो इस क्वेश्चन में दो आंसर रिक्वायर्ड थे हमारे पास. एक था मेटल का एटॉमिक मास. यहाँ पर सॉल्ट देने का मीनिंग क्या है? आपको दिया है मेटल का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर है वैलेंसी. इससे हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे? मेटल का इक्विवेलेंट मास, मतलब एन फैक्टर वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. अगर हमें बताया मेटल का एन फैक्टर वैल्यू 2 है, तो कितना इसका आएगा? इक्विवेलेंट वेट मेटल्स एटॉमिक मास बाय एन फैक्टर वैल्यू 2. तो फॉर्मूला देने का केवल एक पर्पस यहां पर है, आपको पता होना चाहिए मेटल का वैलेंसी फैक्टर एन फैक्टर आई राइटिंग हियर. तो उससे हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे? एक ही आपका अननोन है पहले एक्सप्रेशन में, मेटल का एटॉमिक मास m, वो आप यहां से निकाल लेंगे इसको. पहला पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट है we basically can apply either Faraday's second law और डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट लॉ. चार्ज निकालना आपको है. चार्ज निकालना है. सेम मास दिया है. कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में कितना होता है? इसका वैलेंसी 2 रहेगा, बिकॉज सॉल्यूशन है कॉपर प्लस 2 आयंस गिव कॉपर मेटल. देन फॉर कॉपर वी हैव एन फैक्टर वैल्यू 2. कॉपर है एटॉमिक मास 63.5. F दिया है फैराडे कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू फिक्स है, आप इसको याद रखिए. मास आपको दिया हुआ है इसमें. तो ऑन सॉल्विंग वी गेट अ second answer as well. Okay, that is how you get the answers in such questions. Okay, so let us take our next question. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है, if for the half reaction Cu plus 2 plus electron gives Cu plus E naught is 0.15 volt. आप लिखते रहिए. Cu plus 2 plus 2 electron give copper metal, then E naught value is 0.34 volt. Calculate E naught for the half reaction. Cu plus electron give copper metal. और अगला पार्ट है also predict whether Cu plus undergoes disproportionation or not. Also predict whether Cu plus undergoes disproportionation or not. Okay, so try this question yourself. Now in solving this question, we are given 3 reaction. I can write reaction number 3 number relation क्या है? I can write reaction number 1 again here. Cu plus 2 plus electron gives Cu plus. Second expression Cu plus 2 electron give copper metal, and we require equation Cu plus electron give copper metal. from the two expression given, how to get this required equation? Equation number 1, equation number 2. जब भी क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसा मिलता है कि दो हाफ रिएक्शन दिए हैं, उनका ई नोट पता है और एक और हाफ सेल दी है जिसका आपको ई नोट निकालना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे ऐसे केस में? आप डेल्टा जी नोट का हेल्प लेंगे, बिकॉज ई नोट वैल्यूज क्या होते हैं? इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज. अगर हम इक्वेशन ऐड करेंगे तो ई नोट कैन नॉट ऐड अप, but delta G naught can add up on adding equations, or on subtraction of equation delta G naught can be subtracted as well. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास वैसे ही है, ये तीन एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, तीनों में रिलेशन क्या है आप देखेंगे. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 1 कैन गिव इक्वेशन नंबर 3. 2 minus 1 मींस माइनस करने पर क्या आएगा? 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमेन्स. Cu plus 2 cancel out, Cu plus come left side. So that means if we take reaction of delta G naught 1, delta G naught 2, delta G naught 3, तीनों में रिलेशन देखो पहले. That delta G naught 3 is equal to delta G naught 2 minus delta G naught 1. On subtraction of equation number 1 from 2, delta G naught is subtracted accordingly. In the reaction, delta G naught is subtracted accordingly. Now for the reaction, can see relation. What is delta G naught 3? 1 electron तो minus n f e naught 3. n कितना आपका है? 1. तो 1 लिखिए ना, लिखो फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. What is delta G naught 2? minus 2 f e naught आपको दिया 0.34 minus delta G naught 1 कितना आपको दिया है? 1 f. What is e naught value? 0.15 volt. So if it is taken sign negative, we can cancel out throughout. F Faraday constant can be cancelled out throughout. What remains? E naught value will be equal to 3. 2 into 0.34 minus 0.15. On solving 0.68 minus 0.15 कितना इसका वैल्यू आएगा? 0.53 volt. It is your one answer. Now that is your first answer. हो गया. अगला पूछा है predict, also predict whether Cu plus undergoes disproportionation or not. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? If we assume that Cu plus undergo disproportionation means they can oxidize to give Cu plus 2 ion, as well as they are reduced to give copper metal. So we can have two expressions taken, and this equation can be made of two half reactions. Two half reaction is net reaction. It can be taken anode half reaction, this can be taken cathode half reaction. Then for the cell reaction, what is E naught cell? आप निकालेंगे E naught of cathode, that is E naught of Cu plus 2 copper minus E naught of anode. Anode means E naught of Cu plus 2 Cu plus. This E naught cell will become how much in solving? What is E naught of Cu plus to Cu metal? E naught of Cu plus to Cu metal. We have got this E naught 3, 0.53 volt minus, when E naught is how much for Cu plus 2 gives Cu metal a plus sign, it is 0.15 volt. This value coming how much in solving? Positive readjustment. On solving, this value will come 0.38 volt. This E naught cell is positive. If we assume that Cu plus ion undergo disproportionation, then for this reaction the E naught cell is coming positive, means this cell reaction will be spontaneous. So this cell reaction is spontaneous means that in solution Cu plus 2 ion, Cu plus 1 ions will not remain free. In this reaction, for this reaction, E naught cell become positive. That means in solution Cu plus cannot remain free, but they undergo disproportionation. They will form Cu plus 2 and copper metal. Question may ask you, in solution which ions can remain? तो क्या रहेगा solution में? Only Cu plus 2 ions, but copper क्या है? Metal होगा, not a part of solution. तो solution में only Cu plus 2 ion. Okay? So I hope this is clear. So this is the kind of question sometimes we can use. आई एम रिपीटिंग वन पॉइंट मोर कि अगर आपका हाफ रिएक्शन दी हुई है, आपको दो हाफ रिएक्शन दी हुई है और एक और हाफ रिएक्शन दी है जिसका आपको ई नॉट निकालना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप डेल्टा जी नॉट का हेल्प लेंगे, आप डेल्टा जी नॉट का हेल्प लेंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। क्योंकि डेल्टा जी नॉट क्या होता है, डेल्टा जी नॉट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी। डेल्टा जी नॉट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी, whereas E naught values are the examples of intensive properties. Okay, so be careful about this. चलिए, so let us take next point, next question now here. So let us take our next question. You write down the question. देखिए, the electromotive force of the cell. Write down the question. The electromotive force of the cell. आपको cell दिया हुआ है. M give Mn plus ions. Concentration given of manganese Mn plus is 0.02 molar. H plus ions 1 molar. Hydrogen gas pressure 1 atmosphere. Pt platinum at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.81 volt. At 25 degrees Celsius is 0.81 volt. Full stop. Calculate the valency of the metal. Calculate the valency of the metal if E naught OP. If the standard oxidation potential of the metal is 0.76 volt. If standard oxidation potential of the metal is 0.76 volt. Okay, so try this question yourself. Okay, let us come on solving this part. It is a question based on the Nernst equation. So we apply Nernst equation in this case on solving what is anode reaction here. Oxidation of metal will take place to give metal ions, loss of n electrons. At cathode, reduction reaction occur of hydrogen plus ions to form hydrogen gas. Now, when we take this kind of reaction where in anode and cathode they involve different number of electrons, so first step is to equate the number of electrons in two reactions into 2 into n. First is to equate the electrons in two reactions. When we equate electrons, then add. क्या आएगा net reaction 2m plus 2n hydrogen plus ions will give 2mn plus n H2 gas. And now for this net reaction we apply Nernst equation, that is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n. n कितना आपका यहाँ पर है, इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन एक्सचेंज 2n है क्या डायरेक्टली, log concentration of metal ions कितना दिया है, concentration of metal ion 0.02 मोलर का पावर 2 into pressure of hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere power n, and divide by concentration of hydrogen plus ions कितना दिया है, concentration of H plus ions 1 मोलर का पावर कितना रहेगा इसमें 2n. So 1 power is anything here is equal to any factor we can take here will be 1 only. So this is 1, this is 1. So we can take here on calculation from here we can find the value of n. On solving this equation E cell आपको दिया कितना इसमें 0.81 volt. What is E naught cell? It is E naught of cathode, that is hydrogen's reduction potential minus metals reduction potential. आपको दिया है मेटल का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल, यहाँ पे दिया है क्वेश्चन में E naught OP of the metal is 0.76 volt. What is E naught of cell? ये आपको देगा 0 minus कितना देगा, what is reduction potential minus 0.76, that is 0.76 volt. That the cell will have E naught cell plus 0.76 volt. E naught cell is how much, 0.76 volt. E cell कितना है 0.81 वोल्ट. तो क्या अननोन है इसमें, खाली हमारे पास n का वैल्यू अननोन है इस एक्सप्रेशन में. इसको हम सॉल्व करके क्या निकाल पाएंगे, n का वैल्यू. ऑन सॉल्विंग द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज कमिंग हाउ मच 2. ऑन सॉल्विंग द वैल्यू ऑफ n will come how much in this question 2. So I hope it's clear. अगर क्वेश्चन कुछ दिया है उसको don't lose your hope. Read the question carefully. Try the question accordingly. कि क्या हमको दिया है, जो दिया है उसको कैसे अरेंज करना है, सॉल्व करने के लिए उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पर। इसमें हमेशा सिंपल तरीका ये होता है आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जब भी क्वेश्चन आपको लगाना है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आप पहले क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर, राइट द एनोड रिएक्शन, राइट देन कैथोड रिएक्शन, दोनों में आप इलेक्ट्रॉन को इक्वेट करो पहले, फिर दोनों को आप ऐड कर लीजिए, फिर हमारा आएगा नेट रिएक्शन। नेट रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व हाउ मेनी मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, आप देख सकते हैं 2n इलेक्ट्रॉन्स are involved in the net reaction. So from here when we solve the value of n we can calculate, and that n coming on solving is 2. So I hope it is clear this question. चलिए तो let us take next question. Okay, let's take next question. Question आपको दिया calculate E naught and E for the cell. Calculate E naught and E for the cell. Sn of public Sn plus 2 1 molar double slash lead plus 2 10 to power minus 3 molar oblique lead. E naught given of 10 plus 2 to 10 is minus 0.14 volt. E naught of 10 plus 2 to 10 is minus 0.14 volt, and E naught of lead plus 2 to lead is minus 0.13 volt. Is the cell representation correct? अगला पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का, is the cell representation correct? इतना आपका क्वेश्चन पार्ट दिए हुए हैं, तो read this question carefully and try this question yourself. Now let us come on solution part of this question. We have two reactions, one is anode reaction, one is cathode reaction. So in this case let us first find E naught cell. How much is E naught cell? E naught of cathode, so for lead we take E naught value minus E naught of anode. एनोड आपका किसका 10 का बना हुआ है, तो E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. What is E naught of cathode? minus 0.13 volt. E naught of anode is how much in reduction potential? minus 0.14 volt. That comes on solving how much? 0.01 volt. It is positive. But E naught cell is not the indication of or indicator of the cell reaction to be spontaneous. If we are given concentration of ion in solution not 1 molar, in such case E cell is the criteria. In this case E cell is a criteria for the reaction spontaneity. E cell is the criteria for the reactions spontaneity. So in this case we can add anode reaction, 10 oxidized to 10 plus 2 ions. Then cathode reaction, reduction of lead plus 2 ions to give lead. Then we take net cell reaction taken here, 10 plus lead plus 2 ions give 10 plus 2 plus lead is the net cell reaction. From this net cell reaction we write E cell using next equation. E cell is E naught cell minus 0.059 by n, and 2 in the net reaction log concentration of 10 plus 2 upon concentration of lead plus 2 ions. तो what is E naught cell? हम निकाल चुके हैं 0.01, 0.059 by 2. What is concentration of 10 plus 2 ion? 1 molar, and concentration of lead plus 2 ion 10 to power minus 3 molar. So this log 3 here, from solving this value you can calculate this become how much, 10 to power plus 3, उसका log कितना होता है 3, तो that you can say solving 0.01 minus 0.059 into 3 by 2, that comes solving minus this value become more than 0.01, so this value become minus 0.0785 volt. In this case E cell is coming out to be negative. In this case the E cell is coming out to be negative. This negative E cell means the cell given here is not given correctly. It is not the correct cell representation. It is not correct cell representation, because in this case E cell coming how much? Negative. For this case E cell is how much coming? Negative. So this negative value of E cell is indicative that the given cell reaction is not correct. Then how to write the correct cell reaction? For the cell reaction to be correct, we can write the reaction reverse. For the cell reaction, or for this case, what is the correct cell representation? आपको करना क्या इसमें? अब make anode as cathode and cathode as anode. Change the polarity of the cell. तो क्या आएगा इसमें? cell change करने की polarity पर lead should oxidize to lead plus 2 ions at a given concentration, and tin plus 2 ions should be reduced to give tin metal. So in this kind of question, whenever E cell is coming out to be negative, the cell reaction will be non-spontaneous, because E cell negative means delta G become positive. Remember, E naught is not the criteria of the cell reaction, spontaneity or feasibility. What is criteria? E cell. तो आपको E cell चेक करना होगा ऐसे केसेस में. यहाँ पर कितना है हमारे पास? E cell के बारे में नेगेटिव था तो नॉट करेक्ट. नाउ फॉर द रिवर्स रिएक्शन, व्हाट इज E cell? प्लस हो जाएगा उसका मैग्नीट्यूड में. दैट मींस द सेल रिएक्शन बिकम हियर करेक्ट. So anyway, this is the question and answer of this question, or this kind of question you can solve this way. Okay. Let us take our next question. Write down. आप क्वेश्चन लिखिए पहले. A solution containing 2.08 gram anhydrous barium chloride. A solution containing 2.08 gram anhydrous barium chloride in 400 cc of water. In 400 cc of water has a conductivity of 0.0058 Siemens per centimeter. Then what are lambda m and lambda eq? What is lambda m? What is lambda m? Molar conductivity. And what is lambda eq? Is solution equivalent conductivity. आपको ये दो चीज निकालनी है. In the question you are given the molar weight, or we take the element required atomic weights. Barium is 137 and chlorine is 35.5. Required elements, if you require any atomic mass, barium 137, chlorine 35.5. So now try this question yourself. Now let us come to solution part. On solving this question, we have two expressions. That lambda m for solution can be taken K into 1000 by molarity of solution. Molarity of solution. For solution, what is molarity? आपको मोलरिटी निकालना पड़ेगा. कितना आएगा? वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन ग्राम 2.08 by molar weight. What is molar weight? When we add plus 71, that become 208 weight upon molar weight into volume in liters. How much solution taken? Volume 400 cc. Make it liter into 1000. It is molarity of solution in moles per liter units. Then for the solution, what is normality coming on solving? When you calculate, it is easy calculation. If you just see here, it become 208 cancel out. How much remains? 1/40 moles per liter. Then for solution, what is normality? Molarity into n factor value. So 2 into 1/40, that become how much? 1/20 normal. So solution and molarity in this case 1/40 and normality is 1/20. On putting this value, then solving, lambda m k दिया है solution का 0.0058 into 1000 by molarity of solution how much? 1/40. On solving this value of lambda m will come 232 Siemens centimeter square per mole. It is your one answer. Then what is lambda EQ solution? 0.0058 into 1000 by 1 by 20 मीन्स इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. रिलेशन को देखते हुए तो 116 साइमंस सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर इक्विवेलेंट. दैट becomes your solution equivalent conductivity 116 Siemens centimeter square per gram equivalent and lambda m 232 Siemens centimeter square per mole. Okay, that is how this question can solve. बहुत सिंपल है. आपको पहले वेट दिया सॉल्यूट का, सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम दिया है और क्या दिया है सॉल्यूशन का कंडक्टिविटी. Using this information you can find first the value of molarity of solution and normality, because in calculation of solution molar conductivity we require molarity of solution, while for calculation of solution equivalent conductivity we require normality of solution. कितना आएगा normality solution का आप निकाल सकते हैं यहाँ से. Putting both the values you can find your answer as solution lambda m and lambda eq. Okay, are you clear this point? चलिए, now let us take one more question on this part. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है the specific conductance of a saturated solution of AgBr. Solution of AgBr is 8.486 into 10 to power minus 7 Siemens per centimeter at 25 degrees Celsius. Siemens per centimeter at 25 degrees Celsius. Full stop. The specific conductance of water is 0.75 into 10 to power minus 6 Siemens per centimeter at same temperature. It is also at same temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Given the lambda 0 m of KBr is 137 Siemens centimeter square per mole, lambda 0 m of AgNO3 133 Siemens centimeter square per mole in same units. Lambda 0 m of potassium nitrate is 131 in same units. आपको निकालना क्या है? Calculate solubility of AgBr in gram per liter. Calculate solubility of AgBr in gram per liter. Given atomic mass of silver is 108 and bromine is 80. Required elements, if you require any of the element, you are given the atomic mass silver 108 and bromine is 80. So try this question. So in solving this question, what is required to us? To solve this question, first of all, we can take here calculation of lambda 0 m of AgBr. What is first lambda 0 m of AgBr? We require which ion? Ag plus ions will come from AgNO3 plus Br negative ion come from potassium bromide. Lambda 0 m of KBr minus lambda 0 m of potassium nitrate. We don't require nitrate ions because we have nitrate extra, potassium extra. So on solving using Kohlrausch law, that application, we first find the lambda 0 m. What is of AgNO3 133 plus KBr 137 minus potassium nitrate 131. So on solving this part will come how much? We just take here calculation extra 2, so this will come 139 in same units. Lambda 0 m coming of AgBr is 139 Siemens centimeter square per mole in same units. After calculation of lambda 0 m of AgBr, when solution is saturated, we assume it is solution of infinite dilution. We told already कि whenever a solution is saturated it can be assumed to be a solution at infinite dilution. Then for the solution we can take lambda 0 m is conductivity of solution into 1000 by molarity. Now in this case we replace this term lambda 0 m, we have got K is taken conductivity of only AgBr. ये कैसे निकालेंगे? It is conductivity of solution minus conductivity of water used. तो कितना हुआ K of AgBr? Because यहाँ पर जो फॉर्मूला हमने लगाया हमने वो क्या है? K of AgBr only. सॉल्यूशन में दिया हुआ आपको है 8.486 into 10 to the minus 7 minus, if I write here power minus 7, तो 7.5 into 10 to the minus 7. On solving we get the K of AgBr. This is the K of AgBr. You can find from here. It is conductivity of AgBr. Then for solution we find molarity. Whenever a solution is saturated, then the molarity to be taken same as the solubility. तो what is molarity or solubility in this case? आपको निकालना है, आप निकाल पाओगे इसमें. Molarity will be same as solubility. तो from here we find solubility. This solubility will come in moles per liter. On solving, solubility will come in moles per liter. So suppose I am solving, the solubility is coming m. I am writing solubility in moles per liter, coming how much? Capital M. It is solubility. I am writing solubility in moles per liter. कितना आएगा इसमें? m आ गया इसमें. अब निकालना क्या है? solubility in gram per liter. तो ये क्या होता है रिलेशन? It is solubility in moles per liter into molar weight. For AgBr, what is molar weight? You can add up both. 188. It becomes gram per liter. On solving, you can check it out. Answer will come 1.33 into 10 to the minus 4 gram per liter. आप चेक कर लीजिए आपका आंसर आना चाहिए इसमें solubility का जो दिया है 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 gram per liter should be your answer on solving this question. Okay, so this can be taken chapter basic practice of the some questions, conceptual questions with which are applicable in numerical questions. Now next we can take some advanced part in which we can take some extra theory. Just one part is there and practice of bit higher level questions. Okay.